Welcome. Today I'll show you how to create a YouTube video using Canva, fast and free. Start by clicking Create a new design in the top left corner. On the left menu, you'll see categories like social media and video. Go ahead and click on video. You'll now see a list of available video formats: mobile video, Facebook video, TikTok, landscape video, and more. Let's select YouTube Video, Landscape. Once your canvas opens, click on the file name at the top and give your project a name, something simple, like YouTube Intro. Now comes the fun part. On the left, you'll find pre-made video templates. Many of them are free and perfect for personal use. Just type YouTube Intro into the search bar. Pick a design you like, click it, and it loads right into your timeline. You can change the text, colors, and images to match your channel. That's it, your YouTube intro video is ready in less than 2 minutes.